Hi everyone, another Blockbuster video for you. This time we're having a look at our Christmas Cuties with the topper So Much Fun. Now I love it when you can make cards directly from your card blank. You don't need to use any of your stash, and we're going to do that with this beautiful foiled cardstock. I'm going to make a DL card for you today, and I'm just going to trim my card straight away to 8 by 8, and this is going to do me a 4 by 8 card, which works so well with this. So just trim that to 8 by 8, and I'm going to pop that on my scoreboard and score this at 4 and create that really nice fold on there to make our card blank, and that looks beautiful. And then we'll add our toppers and a sentiment. For this one I'm going to go with this really cool tall one with the snowmen stacking up on top of themselves to add the star on the top, so that's going to sit nicely there. And then let's go with the sentiment, Snow Much Fun. Your snow much fun. I love that. So we'll just add this on with foam pads. I'm going to go in with single foam pads on my sentiment, and because we're not adding too much more to this, I'm going to double up my foam pads on our topper just so it stands out even more on our card. So just 1, 2, 3 across there, and we'll add another on top. So this one's really simple to do but so effective with the shapes and the sizes that we have here and the beautiful cardstock. So adding that onto the middle there, popping our topper on, which I'm going to add between the red so it looks really pleasing to the eye. And then again, silver gemstones. We're going to go with the medium ones. I'll put 3 on the bottom right hand side, and then 3 on the top. And it's as simple as this to make the most beautiful cards with our Christmas Blockbuster. This one has been so much fun from our Christmas Cuties.